I don't really think about it, honestly. I don't think about it because when I look at people credit reports and I don't see how they're actually benefiting from that account. So I don't really like it too much. I don't like the reporting. I don't like how they report. I don't see the benefits. I don't see people like have that account added to their credit reports and their credit score shooting up. So I don't really think about it at all. I just think there's other options out there. Like if you guys need to get um, some type of credit reporting like kickoff, you can get like a kickoff account. I would suggest you guys go with option like that, but I don't really think about the chime because I don't like how they're